In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Notion. If you're new to Notion, a workspace is the home for your pages, databases, and projects. It's a neat way to separate different areas of your life or work, like keeping personal planning apart from team documentation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can get set up with confidence. Start by looking at the left-hand sidebar in Notion. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll see the current workspace name. This is your workspace switcher. Click that workspace name to open the menu. This menu shows every workspace you have access to, and it's where you can create a brand new one without leaving your current view. If you don't see the sidebar, hover near the left edge of the screen or expand it so you can access the top area. In the menu that appears, select New Workspace. This tells Notion you're ready to spin up a separate home for pages and content. It's perfect when you want a clean slate for a new project, a client, or a team, without mixing it into your existing stuff. Next, go through the setup to set up your new Notion workspace. The setup flow typically asks a few quick questions to tailor the workspace. You'll often be guided to name your workspace. Choose something clear and recognizable, like the team or project it represents. You may be asked about the intended use, such as personal, educational, or business needs. This helps Notion suggest relevant options. You'll likely get a chance to pick a simple icon and set preferences. Take a moment to think about naming conventions so everything stays consistent as you grow. If the setup mentions templates, feel free to start with one that matches your goals. Templates are a great way to save time, and you can always customize or remove them later. If you're setting this up for collaboration, there may be a prompt to consider member access, but you can adjust those details later once the workspace is created. When you're done with the setup, that's it. Your workspace is ready. You'll see it appear at the top of the sidebar, and you can switch between workspaces by clicking that same workspace name again. This makes it easy to keep different areas separate and focused. From here, you can start organizing pages, adding databases, and shaping the workspace into exactly what you need. And there you go. That's all. You've successfully created a new workspace in Notion, ready for whatever you want to build.